Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how people paid for goods and services in the late 17th century. During this period, the financial landscape was quite different from today, relying heavily on physical currency and early forms of credit. Understanding these methods helps us appreciate the economic realities of the time. We will explore the primary forms of money, how they were used, and the challenges people faced in conducting financial transactions. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of 17th century commerce. In the late 17th century, metallic coins were the backbone of daily commerce. Gold guineas, first minted in 1662, were a significant denomination, initially worth 20 shillings, later fluctuating to 21 shillings. Silver coins like crowns, half-crowns, shillings, and pence were widely circulated. For smaller, everyday transactions, copper halfpennies and farthings became available from 1672. The currency system was non-decimal, with 1 pound equaling 20 shillings and each shilling comprising 12 pence, making calculations quite intricate. Beyond physical coins, other payment methods supported the economy. Bills of exchange were crucial for substantial transactions, particularly in international trade. These documents served as written instructions for one person to pay a specified sum to a third party, acting as early credit and transfer instruments. While not yet widespread paper currency, goldsmiths started issuing receipts for deposited money, which sometimes circulated as a form of payment. For local, smaller exchanges, especially in rural areas, direct barter of goods and services remained a practical method. Paying in the late 17th century came with its own set of challenges. A major problem was coin clipping, where individuals would shave off small amounts of precious metal from the edges of gold and silver coins. This practice significantly reduced the coin's actual value, leading to widespread distrust. The inconsistent weight and purity of coins further complicated transactions. Additionally, carrying substantial sums of gold and silver was inherently risky due to theft. Counterfeiting also presented a constant threat, making it difficult to verify the authenticity of money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.